So this is the house we're starting today. Do a little preview of what the house looks like. This morning, this house is going to be sold. So this is what we have to work with. Lots of demolition going on in here. Kind of smells like mildew. Uh-oh. Yeah. At least the electricity's on. Somebody's been scraping up a lot of tile.
So that's one.
This is one bathroom. This is the tub. Pretty nasty, but we can make it look good. Now let's go into the other bathroom. It's a cute house when it's going to get fixed. Oh, this is the worst one.
He said that the people are supposed to be here cutting down trees.
Yeah.
I'm going to have to move this truck so they can get in on the trailer.
Oh, this is a hot mess is what this is. Oh, God, whoever lived here. Scarlet. They really messed up this place. I don't know why they did this, but oh God. There must be urine and stuff in here. I'm smelling. It's pretty gross. Shelves and all. We gotta take all that down. And we're gonna have to paint all these walls. The walls don't look that bad though. Oh, the floors though. It's got beautiful wood underneath them. Alright, well, we'll do an after video, probably a during video, so you can see what it's gonna look like. Oh, I see. A bunch of molding's got to be replaced. This is not finished, but this is after being sanded and primed. Okay, so this is the final reveal, and this is what it looks like after it's had 2 coats. You can see there's a big difference in the way that it looks. It come out extra smooth. It's still got the paper and the tape up around it. It's really glossy. I'll step close so you can look at it. Everything's still taped out. And that's the final reveal on the first bathroom. Then we're gonna walk around the corner to the second bathroom and I will show you it. And then we're gonna be painting this house. So that's our next project after we do another tub in Trenton. So we're staying busy. So here's the, that's the exhaust. Okay. So here's the top part of the surround. These bathtubs are built in the house. So if you need to have them resurfaced and you've got rental property and someone's destroyed it, there was a hole in the bottom. It was very small. I didn't get it on the first video, but you can't even see where there was a hole. Everything's been patched up and fixed. So hopefully we will see you again on the next job, and I will keep filming. Thank you so much. You have a blessed day. God bless you.